Hello everyone, welcome back to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I know, it's been a while, right? Well, I've got a couple of months worth of some Peaches and Petals lifestyle box. Let's talk about my life while we unbox the Peaches and Petals. This is the May and the June box for Peaches and Petals lifestyle box. It's a lifestyle box for women. It's a monthly box. You don't know what you're going to get in there, but it is designed for women. It's $19.99 a month. They do send these to us for free. This is the May box. Yes, I've already opened them. You know, people, I have great intentions of continuing to film videos, but work got busy and we're finishing our basement. If any of you are doing any of those remodels or the finishes yourself, then you know that every free moment you have is spent working on that. We're not hiring it done. We're trying to do it ourselves. My husband had to have surgery, so that's put a huge dent in our progress because he's not able to do. He can only tell us what to do. He can point and he can tell you what needs to be done, but he can't really help. So, oh, his surgery was just shoulder surgery. He's fine. Okay, so May's box is, hey, it's May, cute little, nice little postcard. They really don't tell you what's in here anymore. They just have some nice little cutesy things in here. The May box included some Panama Jack, really cool, sunglasses. Oh, wait a minute. These are squished. Let me adjust the noses. And there we go. No, it's still, doesn't it look a little crooked to you? Let me see if I can adjust this. Well, I can tell you all I did was try to move this little piece here and this popped out. So, and I can tell these are coming out too. Wow, what's the deal? Oh, these are wire. That's weird. I don't know if I can get these back in, but okay. I was going to say it's worth it just for the sunglasses, but Panama Jack, I don't know. These are some crappy glasses here. Yeah, I can't even get these back in this little wire here. See it? So, now you can call me Captain. Oh, look. This one came out too. You'd think they'd fit in just as easy as they popped out, right? Because these popped out fairly simple. And what the heck? How in the world are these $15 glasses? This is crazy. It says they retail for $15.99. Okay, so I got them back on, but I wouldn't really call these fabulous glasses. They look stylish, but... The next thing in there for May was, and you guys, I've been through this once with these boxes. I thought I was going to be sly and just film an unboxing on my desk, and it didn't work because I didn't have the camera out far enough and it was just a waste of my time. And this smells like Noxzema. This is Body Verde Age Correcting Moisturizer, firm skin and adds hydration, and it smells just like that Noxzema. I don't know if you remember the days of Noxzema? Okay, this is from Body Luxurious. It's a spa kit. It has a facial buffer. It has a pore cleansing brush. There's a skin buffer. There's a facial skin brush. And then it has a smoother for your heels, your pedi smoother, and a replacement smoother for your pedi. So battery operated. They're not included, but it's a nice little spa at home. And then the last thing for the May box was the Sweet Dreams kit, and it has a journal and an eye mask. So this right here is the eye mask, and this is the journal. It has no lines, so you can write all over it, draw pictures, whatever you want to do. And it says Sweet Dreams Dream Journal, and it's made for you to put your little eye mask right on top. So these are the items that were in the Peaches and Petals May box, and I would have said originally great value because these were $15.99, and I'm sure this retails somewhere upwards of $5.99 or $6.99 probably. So you're getting your $20 value. Not really keen on this because it kind of looks and feels a little, I wouldn't say cheap, but just not as luxe as you would think. But it's nice for someone who can't afford Clarisonic or Foreo to have one of these themselves. But now that the glasses have already fallen apart on me and I've had to put them back together, I'm not feeling the love from the value of the May box. So I think it's all great. Got a spa treatment, got a little moisturizer, got a journal, and an eye mask, and a pair of glasses. So that's my thoughts on the May box. Now let's get into the June box. June box is fabulous. So when I got the June box, it came in this Sun Meadow box. And it said it included cereal and milk and breakfast bar. I was like, that's interesting because it's really heavy, and I thought maybe it possibly does. But when I opened it up, it actually says that they used the shipping box for the Peaches and Petals box this month, recycled from a food drive that they did for their local shelters. So I think that was really, really great. And they suggest that we also reuse the box ourselves and recycle it. So, fabulous. Love that about you, Peaches and Petals. Okay, the next thing, Peaches and Petals for June. Talks about kicking back and relaxing with a cold drink. Summertime, feeling the fun. And they actually included a recipe back here for a little cocktail, and if you wanted to add alcohol to your cocktail, you had choices here. So I think that's a really cute little card to include. This is from Occasionally Made. It is a very cute pink, white, and teal umbrella. And I have tested it. It does work. Can't remember what the size of the umbrella is, but it has a little button here. You push it, it expands open. It's a nice kind of rubbery handle. And it's really nice. Keeps the sun off of your face. Don't know if it's waterproof. It doesn't say. It just says umbrella. The next thing in here is Le Jolie. And it says it's a blow dry spray. It's a liquid blow dry spray. Dries hair 2 times faster and adds shine. It says to reapply as needed while you are drying. It has in it
cyclopentasiloxane, cyclotetrasiloxane. Then it has trimethylsiloxylate, I don't know, spinosa. And then it has argan oil and sunflower seed.
So I don't really know what those ingredients are. They're weird to try to pronounce, and I'm not good at the English language, let alone any kind of scientific chemical language. So then the next thing in here kind of matches. This is huge, by the way. This is also from Occasionally Made. It is I would call it like a beach tote. It's really big. These are really sturdy handles, have the rubber little handle on here. On the inside you have a flat bottom. It's an oval bottom. And it has a little zipper. On this side you have a little, you can't see right there. Has a zipper here so you can put your phone or your keys. And then you could put your lunch, you could put your towels. This is really cute. It's not insulated for like cold or anything like that. But it is a very heavy canvas and kind of sorta maybe matches this. This is like a corally pink and this is like bright pink. But it's very, very cute. And I think this alone is probably worth the value of the box. Definitely with the umbrella. These 2 things right here are fabulous. Thank you, Peaches and Petals. The last thing in here kind of got me giggling. So if you want to giggle with me, I know it's just the language, okay? But this is a facial buff. But on here it says facial buff tampon, pour la visage. So I'm sure it's just tampon is the word for puff for your face. Anyway, it made me giggle. I had to take a step back and go, a facial buff tampon, a what? Let's just all laugh at my lack of knowledge. Here are the little facial buffs. They've got the 2 different kinds, little finger holes, buff your face. Very nice. I will use these. I will put one in my bathroom and one in my travel bag. I do like these sorts of things, so very nice. So, June box, hit it out of the park. I think this was a great value. I think this was a great box. Love the idea that they recycled these boxes from a food drive. Shows me that they're giving back, so thank you so much. It's nice to be back. Can't say that it's going to be frequently because we still haven't finished that basement yet, you guys. But I'll keep you posted on that, and maybe I'll be able to do another box here, another video here shortly. Anyway, that's up with what's going on in my life right now. And I hope you guys had a very wonderful and safe 4th of July. Come back and see me again. Mwah. Bye.